Whenever you buy a used car, you're gonna have some things that don't work, and for me it is this glove box. These tabs are broken, so I'm going to show you how to replace a glove box in the V Commodore. Okay, so the first step is you want to remove this trim. It's quite easy to take off. And you have these 3 screws here that you must take off. Okay, so after you've taken them top 3 screws out, you're going to have another screw behind here, another one behind here, so we'll take them out. Okay, so once you've taken out them 2 other screws, there are 2 more screws here and here underneath the passenger dash. They have to be removed. Okay, so now you must move this part down. Get this out of the way. It's all clip based, so just be really careful. So yeah, that was easy to take out. Put that aside. Okay, so after you've taken out this part here, you have 2 screws left. One here. And the other here. Okay, so once you've done all that, you'll just be able to drop her out. Then make sure you disconnect all the wires and plugs. Okay, so I've got the new glove box, and these are the parts that were broken on the old one. So now it'll be able to open and close correctly. I got this for 20 bucks at a Wreckers, so they're not expensive to get. And it's not a hard thing to change. So that's what it looks like in there. So now all I've got to do is put this wires back on and put it back in. Okay, so I recommend putting in the bottom screws first and then go from the top. Wow, before and after, so that's what it's meant to look like. Easy job, something you can do yourself, part isn't expensive, so that's how you do it. Let us know in the comments if I've helped you.